baby. What's wrong, Wolf?
You could do a watermelon commercial.
What do you think I'm filming you?
The watermelon growers will be extra productive.
That was a dainty bite. Thanks, Mom. Reach.
I've got not only got to watch out for teeth, but
Juice.
juice and slobber and. Alright, is his teeth too big? Yep.
He's dainty, Mom. Look at him.
I know, he does take little bites of it. Oh. That wasn't fair.
Break it in half for him. He can't do it.
Yes, he did.
Oh,
Look.
never mind. Wolfie can do it all. Look, he's trying to break it again.
He likes little bitty bites. He likes to enjoy it.
Does he not want it now?
That's right. You got it.
He wants you to feed it to him.
How to eat a watermelon. Don't step on
Say
it.
bye, Wolf.